New technology often overthrows not only user behavior, but the whole concept of the business, and often in ways that we've never anticipated. Many operators treat mobile broadband in much the same way as they once treated voice. They're entering a whole new playing field.
We quickly realized that people use mobile broadband in totally different ways, and therefore we have to sell it in totally different ways too.
For example, we have the broadband mini package which lasts just a day. We have the business package for those in the cities. We have the family package for usage at home during certain hours of the day. We cut across almost all segments of our potential customers.
I often talk about the Trojan horse, a simple but effective way of opening doors to new markets. Now, what would happen if an operator collaborated, shall we say, with a coffee machine developer? I rather think there could be some interesting results bubbling up.
We see music as something else far beyond the traditional albums and CDs. We think it's more like air or water. It should be available everywhere for everyone. In delivering the music experience to our customers, mobile broadband has been crucial, but it has to be fast and it has to be reliable. Otherwise, people are just going to ditch it.
Technology is constantly giving us higher speeds and better performances. It's our job as an operator to transform that development into a real value for our customers.
As a company, no matter what part of the value chain, you have to challenge yourself and you have to challenge your customers.
Operators need to unplug the way they see, think and act on it. Unplug. Let's rethink mobile broadband.